Ever wondered how to replace a toilet all by yourself? Well, wonder no more. Today, the focus is on decoding the process of toilet replacement and breaking it down into manageable, easy-to-follow steps. So, grab your tools, and let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your tools. You'll require a wrench, a putty knife, a hacksaw, and a new wax ring. Of course, don't forget the new toilet. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Look for a valve typically located on the wall behind the toilet and turn it clockwise until it stops. Step 3. Flush the toilet. Hold down the handle to drain as much water as possible from the tank and the bowl. If any water remains, mop it up with a sponge or towel. Step 4. Disconnect the supply line with your wrench. It's typically a small, flexible tube connecting the toilet tank to the wall valve. Step 5. Remove the old toilet. Use your wrench to unscrew the nuts on the base of the toilet, then lift the toilet straight up and out of the way. Be careful, toilets can be heavy so you might need a hand. Step 6. Remove the old wax ring. Use your putty knife to scrape away the old wax ring from the flange on the floor. Make sure to clean it thoroughly. Step 7. Install the new wax ring. Place the new wax ring on the flange where the old one was. Step 8. Place the new toilet. Lower the new toilet onto the wax ring, lining up the mounting holes with the bolts sticking up from the flange. Apply pressure to the toilet to compress the wax ring and create a watertight seal. Step 9. Secure the toilet. Tighten the nuts onto the bolts to secure the toilet to the floor. Be careful not to over-tighten as it can crack the toilet or the flange. Step 10. Reconnect the supply line. Attach the supply line to the new toilet and tighten it with your wrench. Step 11. Turn on the water supply. Allow the tank to fill, then flush the toilet to check for leaks. If there are no leaks, congratulations. You've successfully replaced a toilet. So to recap the process, gather your tools, turn off the water supply, flush the toilet, disconnect the supply line, remove the old toilet, scrape away the old wax ring, install the new one, place the new toilet, secure it, reconnect the supply line, and turn on the water supply. Remember, replacing a toilet might seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can tackle this project with confidence. So next time your toilet needs a swap, don't shy away. Roll up your sleeves and get to work.